Hi everyone, my name is Justin. Welcome to Dashboard, and in this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of how the platform works. I'm a full-time day trader and YouTuber, and I've been using Dashboard for the past 2 to 3 months now at the time of recording this video, so you can safely know that I am actually a user of this product, and I use this on a daily basis when I analyze the market. To give you some context, this is a trend detection software. This is not telling you when to buy and sell, it's telling you what trend that pair is currently in. Right here, we are looking at the pair NZD-JPY. And the first thing we need to know is what it means for a peak formation. There are two types of different peak formations. There's a peak formation low and a peak formation high. To keep it simple, peak formation low, like the one right here for NZD-JPY, that means bullish market. In other words, that means this pair is currently in an uptrend. If we look at peak formation high, let's take a look at GBP-AUD as an example. A peak formation high simply means bearish market, which means downtrend. So once again, all this platform is, it's giving you trend detection. So you need to have a trading strategy in place that helps you determine your entry. So the moment you combine trend detection with some type of entry detection, that is where you become unstoppable. So now let's look at the platform and give you a simple rundown of how to use it every day when you're trading. Now here's something that Nick and I love to do. We love to sort these pairs based on lowest peak formation to the highest peak formation. As you can see, I already have it sorted from one peak formation all the way to the highest right now, which is currently 17 peak formation. The way you sort this is by clicking on the button that says status. And every time you press it, it'll change it from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest. So whatever your preference is in terms of sorting the peak formations, you can do that by clicking on the button status. Now, you're probably wondering what the numbers mean next to peak formation. Let's click on AUD-NZD as an example. You see how it says 2 PFL? All that means is that 2 days ago, it became a bullish market. Now let's take a look at GBP-NZD. You see how it says 2 PFH? That means 2 days ago, it became a bearish market. The reason why this platform is so powerful is because it is intended to help you know whether or not you are in the correct trade. Let's say your strategy is currently telling you to buy, but Dashboard is saying that it's in a bearish market. That's conflicting information right there. So this platform is going to help give you that extra confidence boost whether or not you are currently in the correct trade and if you're trading with the trend or trading against the trend. So now that you know what a peak formation means, and now that you know what the numbers mean, let's take a look at these gold check marks. You're probably wondering what that is. Well, the gold check mark simply means that it just started a new trend. Let's check out EURCHF as an example. When I click on EURCHF, it says 1 PFL. That means 1 day ago, pretty much yesterday, it started this bullish market. The reason why Nick and I love these gold check marks is because it is the platform telling you when a trend just started. This is a perfect feature for those of you that trade based on reversals. Now, if you are confused on anything that I just said, we have all of this information here on the right side of the platform under this button called Legend. When you click on this button, this pop-up appears explaining everything I just mentioned. The gold check mark, it means a new peak started, which is the start of a new trend. PFL means bullish trend. PFH means bearish trend. So anytime you are confused on what any of this information means on the platform, you come here to the legend and it'll tell you exactly here what that means. Now, just like the legend stated, you're probably wondering what these flashing numbers means. I'll keep it nice and simple for you. Anytime you see these flashing numbers, that is a good sign that it is very possible within the near future, this could change to a new peak formation. So as an example, you see how CHF JPY is currently flashing right here for PFH? That means it is very possible very soon this could turn into a PFL, meaning bullish market. So what I personally like to do for my 2 to 3 months of using this, whenever I see these numbers flashing, I try not to trade with what the dashboard is saying, and I like to wait to see whether or not it's going to update or if it doesn't update. So these flashing numbers will pretty much help you know ahead of time whether or not it's about to transition to a new peak formation or stay at the peak formation it's currently at. Let's say you're brand new to trading and you still don't know much about the software. No problem. You have the ability to look over the shoulder of professional traders within the platform. That is through something called the trading floor. The trading floor is a place within Dashboard where you are able to view trades from top traders such as the CEO and a full-time analyst. The way you access the trading floor is you go up here to the left side of the platform and you click on Trading Floor. When you click on that button, it's going to take you here to this page. So far, we have 2 analysts at the time of recording this video. You're able to see trades from Nick, the CEO of the platform, and Jason, a full-time analyst. Let's go ahead and click on Jason because I want to show you he has been killing it within trades and dashboard. It's going to show you how many people viewed the trades and how long ago he made that post. So it's very similar to Telegram. If you scroll up, it's going to show you exactly what trades he's getting into before and after screenshots as well. So if you are ever confused and if you need just a little bit more guidance on how to use dashboard, the trading floor is the perfect place to go to. Now, let's say you're a news trader. You love to trade based on news. You need to have a calendar to easily access. Well, we have that built into the platform right here on the left where it says news. Here you will have access to news instantly whenever it comes out. As an example, here this was posted today, November 3rd, 2020. How will markets react to the 2020 US presidential election? When you click this button, it pops up and you can read the entire news event right here built into the platform. Now, let's say you want to see what kind of news events are about to come out and you can sort them based on impact. You go over here and you click on where it says calendar. Nick wanted to make sure that you have a very simple user experience with this platform. That is why it looks very familiar. So when you go up here and you click on filter, let's say you want to trade only the high impact news. You click the red folder, you click update, and here will be all of the high impact news events for the rest of the week. And of course, if you need to sync the time based on where you live, you choose your time zone and you click on sync time. This way, everything is correct. Now, you're watching this video because you went to our university section. So if you click on this university section right here, it'll take you to the page where you can watch all the free training content on how to use the platform and different strategies that work well within the platform. Now, if you would love to upgrade or cancel your membership for whatever reason, you can go over here to the button that says subscription and you can manage it right there. If you need to log out of the platform, at the bottom left, you click log out and it'll log you out. Dashboard also has customer chat, meaning you can communicate with other customers. So you go over here to the right, and as you can see, people are able to comment what they want to say. So as an example, someone right here says, closing my day at $18,000 profit for the day. Pretty phenomenal. So we have a lot of customers from all across the planet who enjoy Dashboard on a daily basis. And that is it. That is a simple rundown of how to use Dashboard and how the platform works. Again, if you have any questions about anything in this video tutorial series in the Academy section, feel free to reach out to customer support on marketmakersmethod.com. We have live chat there, and any questions you have, our customer support will be more than happy to help you. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.